Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Trisha
and Leonard,
and together we are the Youngs. And today guys, we'll be talking about compatibility. Guys, after 17 years together and 3 kids, we found out that we are
not compatible.
Can you believe it?
Can you believe it, guys?
Not compatible.
What would you do if you find out that after 17 years and 3 kids, you're not compatible? Guys, I was surprised to see the least.
So what would you do if you find out that you and your partner are not compatible?
That we've been living a lie, people.
What would you do?
We've been living a lie after 17 years and 3 kids. Can you believe it, guys? So, guys, I'm a Gemini.
And I'm a Pisces.
And apparently, Pisces and Gemini, they do not belong together. Geminis will juggle the life out of Pisces.
Yeah, so basically...
I'll kill everything in me.
Kill everything in you?
Let me see.
Mustard. Yes guys, so that's what they say. They say that like Geminis, a Gemini and a Pisces relationship is considered to be
an incompatible
zodiac match, but because they are both mutable signs, they do have what it takes to work through many of their ups and their downs in their relationship. They see that a Gemini soulmate is Aries, right? Person's probably born the latter part of March to April, right? And Leo was born early March. Sagittarius, I know that Sagittarius persons are born in December. Aquarius, Leo, and Cancer. Whilst for Pisces, they say that Leo's best picked are Taurus, Virgo, and Cancer. I do not believe though in what do they call them something earlier? Horoscope and all these things. But I always say that I'm a Gemini because that's on the globe, right? But we don't really believe about this mismatch of signs and all of that. But I was surprised to see the least that Leo and I are not compatible according to their sign.
Apart, I mean, you have different personalities, obviously, with my wife and I, which somewhat is in line with what the zodiac signs are actually saying.
True.
But you know, although there, according to them, there's an incompatibility there, doesn't mean it can't work.
No, but that's what the zodiac sign said to Leo. They said that because of how our personality, we know to work it out to make it work. You understand? That's what they said.
But they are saying that the majority of these signs are just incompatible. So you know, but those who actually go ahead to actually try to work it out actually do work it out. But I guess most of Pisces and Gemini just would not mesh.
They said that Leo was good at like you know that thing there? Yeah.
Never read that.
Yes, man. Them said that
Pisces and Geminis, you know, fire, stars.
So guys, we are here to tell you that a relationship is not based on your signs, right? So don't go around and asking persons what month you're born and my zodiac sign say we not match, you know, we're not compatible. They said that for a relationship to work, you have to have 2 types of persons, right? You have to have the person that is boring and the one that is crazy. And the boring and crazy is the only type that works for
But you know, strangely enough though, like when you were looking for a person, what was like the personality type that you were actually looking for?
Personality? Yeah. Guys, when I was looking for a boyfriend at the age of 16, I wasn't, to be honest, you just want somebody who is cute.
Alright,
so shallow.
Past this shallow stage, when I get serious, I'll say, okay, husband now. Which personality type were you looking for or were you yearning for?
A personality type? Someone that is nice, a gentleman. Probably you, in the sense that I was looking for someone that was like boisterous. Do you understand? Not even boisterous, but just you know them man there?
I wish man them there.
We don't know. But you have some man where, you know, probably me like a man with no for talk, yes. You understand what I say? But someone will basically melt with me. Because if you guys don't notice, I have a big personality when I get comfortable around persons. You're not gonna meet this Trisha when you just meet this Trisha. You're gonna meet a shy Trisha who don't know how like she don't know how to talk. But once
1 year later.
But once you get to know me, people, once when you're a friend, we're alright, right?
So for me, I was actually looking for somebody with my personality type. Quiet, reserved. And guess what? You hear what she just said a while ago, guys? Initially, you don't really know the true her. Because initially, she was like quiet. I was like, okay, she fits that personality profile that I'm actually looking for. And 1 year later, the true Trisha came out.
Listen, babe. Would you prefer someone that, like, no, right? Someone that is just quiet and reserved versus someone that is outspoken? Aren't you glad that I'm not that quiet and reserved person, though?
Yeah, because, you know, it seems like quiet and loud actually match. Leo, don't do that.
That not funny. I'm not loud, Leo. Yeah, hurt my feelings.
Alright, quiet and loud, baby.
Outspoken.
Alright. So it seems like quiet and outspoken actually works, guys.
You understand? Actually
Because
works.
to be honest, you'd be boring. We'd be boring. Suppose you have two quiet some persons. You understand? One when constantly knock the other person. Oh, it go work.
Probably could have sleep well.
Guys, if you don't know, we just joke. You know, I think people that the longer that you are with your partner, the more of their characteristics rub off on you.
I can see with that.
Although I'm outspoken, you know, with certain situation where I would you know, I always have something to say. I see where I'm the bigger person sometimes. I'm not the bigger person, just a normal person. Where I just, you know, don't have anything to say and just keep my skin quiet. You understand?
How about two persons who like are hotheads?
Hothead.
I don't think something like that probably could work.
No, because you want somebody to cool down the other person. You can have two hothead. But Leo, the makeup thing are gonna be real good, you know.
Makeup?
And then they hothead.
Also?
And then they must,
I don't know about it.
and then they must cool off.
I don't know about, oh, you know about this?
No, no, Leo. Me just a guess.
Yeah, I get it.
And as I said before, the longer that you are with someone is the more that you take on their personality, because initially when Obi and I probably in an argument, I'm the one that and no, he's never that person. But now I see where I am becoming more like Leo, whereby which I am not the type of person. Right, babe?
She's the dumb.
What's that? What's it?
Watch your back.
So guys, what really makes a relationship work is not about your zodiac sign. It's about communicating and communicating effectively, right? Communication is the key for a successful relationship. Ensure that you are each other's support system. You understand where I come from? And I stated 3 points, or rather I noted 3 points. Emotional, ensure that you have your partner emotionally, physically, and financially as well. Financially is very important for a successful relationship, guys. A lot of persons, you know, you have to sort that out in your personal relationship, but a lot of persons, they don't take keen to that aspect, and that is one of the reasons why most relationship fails, Leo.
Okay.
The same wavelength as it regards to financial. And guys, I forgot one. I was only talking about emotional, physical, and financially. I forgot about spirituality. As spirituality has a lot to do with at least our relationship. It's good to be on the same wavelength as well.
Oh, one other thing I must add. You have to understand your partner. We talk about communication. Sometimes communication break down, but you have to understand your partner, personality, in particular. You have to know what makes her tick. You have to know that she does tick or he does tick, and you have to kind of know how to handle that moment when things go south.
Another thing that makes for a successful relationship is forgiving and forgetting. Right? Don't say you forgive, and you don't forget. And the next time that you guys have a disagreement, you bring it up. Like that happened a year ago or 2 years ago, or that was like 2 months ago. We're talking about today. You understand? So don't forgive and don't. And yeah, forgive and forget, guys. That makes for a good relationship.
We are all a work in progress. None of us are perfect. We will make mistakes, so we need to forgive each other, okay? None of our, none of our rough areas are fully sand and ready and oiled, and everything will go smoothly. You will have ups and downs. It's a part of the relationship, but you work to make it better, and you just don't give up, right? And guys, tell your partner what you need. No expect them to read your mind. And I say, how should I do this right about now? Tell the partner what you need. And your partner try his best to accommodate your other husband or wife request. You understand? So things can work. Don't go in the mind reading phase. Whereas, you just become upset because they're not doing what you want them to do. And really and truly, tell them. If you tell them one time, you remind them again. They'll probably then forget. You understand? Yeah, man. Tell them. Don't make them read their mind, and then they're upset when they can't read their mind.
So yes, guys, they say that we are not compatible, but we beg to differ.
Yeah, we make it work. We make incompatibility possible.
Yes, people. So guys, relationship is a work in progress, and it starts off easy. It will get hard, but it gets easier.
And love your partner. Don't go around go look no other man or other woman. That will cause problems. Real problems in the situation. I understand. Love your partner and stick together and work things out. Let go the man and the woman out the road. Them, believe me, not gonna make it any better. I'll make it worse.
Alright, so guys, we really do hope that you enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye guys.
Say bye guys.
Bye guys.
Alright.